Now you can listen to me in a much better way. So how is this evening? I personally understand it's stressed evening because you are away from the study. Is that correct? Yeah. See, we have come over here to celebrate Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. I'll not talk much. I'll take few minutes basically to talk to you. We all are residing in United India, and now truly united India. Is that correct? Very recently, the credit goes to Government of India. They made the country united while scrapping 370. So now we can proudly say, United India, one country, one Bharat. Now the fact is, as the government proposition is there to make it Shresth Bharat. How basically we can make it Shresth Bharat? That we all have to think. And I personally believe every time that this younger generation has got a very fertile brain and they are full of energy and therefore they can give always better ideas. But if you are going to ask me to make Shresth Bharat, what we'll have to do, every one of us has to become Shresth. Shresth means superior. So now, there is a point for all of us to think whether we are the superior, and superior in which respect and from whom. So now when we have been talking about Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, then superior citizen, then not superior citizen to our fellow brothers and sisters. Rather, we want to prove that we are the superior citizen from the other citizens of the country. Is that correct or not? That is what we have to prove. हम लोग दूसरे citizens जो दूसरे country के citizens हैं उनसे superior हैं, श्रेष्ठ हैं. But the fact is, all of you are very competitive, very good. We take it and we like it, we appreciate it. But the fact is, when we say that we are superior, then from whom? Now what do you do? Like for example, as I said earlier also, if two are the best friends over here, you say that you cannot survive alone. But when one gets higher marks, higher positions into the class, how do you react for a little time? You don't feel very happy. Yes or no? So where our Shreshtha has gone, then we miss our Shreshtha and it is missed. So now the point is that at that particular moment of time, also we should feel happiness. But yes, if somebody is moving ahead and he is a fellow citizen of another nation, we must feel bad. Then we have to be very, very competitive. लेकिन ये होता नहीं. We have not been doing it. For example, I just like to tell you one thing. Let us just start from one simple example. Our fellow citizens, or my fellow brothers and sisters, when they have been going to any other country, like suppose for example they go to the Europe or United States, तो जब यहाँ से जाएंगे वहाँ पे, तो they become a very, very good citizen of our country. Neither they are going to spit anywhere else, nor they are going to throw any material because they have got a fear into their mind that they are going to be caught and fine is going to be imposed. So they are fearful in that particular respect. Can we say that they have become Shresth over there? Possibly it's not the superiority or the Shreshtha over there. They are fearful. They are fearful, therefore they become the better citizen over there. But at least by any means they have become better over there. But once they come back, what will happen? Once they just land into this particular country and just come out of the airport, then you can see number of cars. If some garbage and other things are there, they will start, throwing on the roads. होता है कि नहीं होता? जैसे ही वहां से एयरपोर्ट से उतर के जाएगा, जो भी मटेरियल लिया होगा सारा फेंक देगा। फेंक देगा क्यों? Why? Because we do not love our country, we do not love our nation, we do not love our citizens. So when these kind of trends and system is existing into our country, how do we feel that we are going to make it stressed? But I tell you, this I have not been telling for all of you, because all of you are very, very different than the remaining people of our country. And this is spreading very, very fast. Now you look at the child. एक बच्चे को देखिए, अगर एक बड़ा when elder person is throwing anything else, then the child is interrupting today. What the child says, no, you don't throw like this. And therefore, all of you are to be aware about it. And all of you even interrupt about it. I was sitting over here, I was looking at the photograph over here. Correct? Did you also see the photographs into the video which was just running? देखा आपने वीडियो? क्या देखा? Now look at it. You are residing into the hostel. It was a segment of the hostel where it was so dirty. Whether dirt was spread out over there or it was already dirty. If it was already dirty, then how do we say like we are making even our campus, our hostel premises very clean over there and stressed one? Likewise, what my intention is, whatever you have been doing, in every respect, there is a need to prove the superiority. And when it comes to do something for the nation, for our fellow brothers and sisters, then there also you show the superiority. Superiority means श्रेष्ठता. कैसे दिखाएंगे? अभी आपने देखा यहाँ पे, when I came to the podium, when I reached at the dais, then I could understand, this is not me who contributed largely for the success of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which was just running since last number of days. These were the coordinators, these were the people who worked along with all of you. All of you worked, and these people worked at the grassroots level. And therefore it was my inner ambition and inner choice that let me greet them. तभी मैंने उनको bouquet hand over किया. So this is a gesture. This is one kind of gesture we have to show at every moment for our fellow brothers and sisters. And always think what we can do for our people. We must not expect. Like number of times you will say, I understand. All of you come over here, be all authorities sitting over here or outside of this auditorium. We make very hard efforts that every child in the campus should have a comfortable stay. That sometimes you may not believe. But still some of the things are there, I do understand. It is never like that we can fulfill all your aspirations and ambitions. But the fact is, we try very hard that the stress and superior conditions must exist at NIT Agartala, and on the same time we expect from our students that they must also be the superior and stress from the rest of the students. And of course, my students, with pride I can say, now they are the stress than the remaining NITs of the country. It's not like I'm pleasing you. No. It's not my tendency to please anybody else. Because the reason is, you are over here, we all are over here, and not many complaints are there. Though one or two things we understand that these are still there. Because I understand that net problem is still there. But not many problems are there. But I can tell you the problem is going to be resolved very soon, as I tell time and again. Correct? But the fact is, you can yourself see the people are working and not many things are not in unto our hand. And that is what time and again I say, that these are going to be resolved and we are going to look at it. I asked yesterday also to both the deans who are sitting over here that please talk to the people when the work can be completed? You can ask them. So we are behind that, and one day I'll not make these words that time and again I'll say, now the problem is resolved. And rest of the things, you can let us know. If any problem is there, we are there to resolve any kind of problem. But on the same time, I definitely expect all of you will show your superiority in every sphere of the life, not only in terms of the study, in your profession, but in terms of the humanity too. And you will prove to a better citizen, and that is what we can proudly say, that we are showing the behavior of Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. And I have got very high expectations from all of you, and with the expectations that all of you will prove your superiority and you will be Shresth citizens. I thank you all very much coming down over here and listening to me for a few minutes. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now we are going to have a classical dance performance by Atreyi Goswami and Shrestha Bhattacharjee.